If you're looking to supercharge your 2013 Mac Pro, the Simmtec compatible 128GB DDR3 PC3-10600 1333MHz ECC registered RDIMM memory upgrade kit might be exactly what you need. This kit, featuring 4x32GB DDR3 ECC registered modules, is specifically certified for all Mac Pro 2013 versions, making it a perfect fit for your Mac Pro 6. The upgrade kit consists of 4 32GB modules, bringing a total of 128GB of memory. This significant boost in RAM can dramatically enhance your Mac Pro's performance, allowing you to handle more intensive applications and multitask with ease. The 240-pin SDRAM DIMM modules are designed with a capacity of 2048mx72 and operate at a speed of 1333 MHz, ensuring your system runs smoothly and efficiently. One of the standout features of this memory kit is its ECC, error-correcting code, capability. ECC memory is crucial for professional and enterprise environments where data integrity and system reliability are paramount. It helps to detect and correct data corruption, reducing the risk of system crashes and data loss, making it ideal for tasks such as video editing, 3D rendering, and other memory-intensive applications. Simmtec's memory modules are built with quality in mind. The brand, known for its dedication to producing high-quality memory solutions, ensures that each module is 100% compatible with the Mac Pro 2013. This compatibility guarantees a hassle-free installation process and reliable performance post-upgrade. The 1.5V power requirement of these modules is in line with industry standards for DDR3 memory, ensuring efficient power consumption without compromising on performance. The quad-rank design further enhances the memory bandwidth, providing faster data processing capabilities and improved overall system responsiveness. Installing the Simmtec 128GB memory upgrade is straightforward. Simply replace your existing memory modules with the new Simmtec ones, and your Mac Pro will recognize the upgrade immediately. This plug-and-play simplicity means you can get back to work in no time, with a machine that's more powerful and capable than ever before. In conclusion, the Simmtec compatible 128GB DDR3 PC3-10600 1333MHz ECC registered RDIMM memory upgrade kit is a top-tier solution for anyone looking to enhance their Mac Pro 2013's performance. With its robust build quality, exceptional reliability, and significant performance boosts, this memory upgrade is an investment that will pay. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.